In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on a Notification and Status bar. Then select App Notifications at the top and click on All Apps at the top left corner. Then click on the Best Sort option by clicking on it. In my case, sort by most recent notifications. Now by tapping on blue switcher next to an app, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!